Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys? I am back with another video, and today I will be unboxing this Steel Vengeance Nanocoaster model that I just got today. And so, let's just get started, my dudes. The pieces are right here, and the board is right here. And the instructions are just right here. Now let's unbox the parts. Whoa. There you have it, guys. The parts are unboxed, and I am ready to begin building this thing. And so I will see you guys tomorrow when I actually build this thing.